Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my garage. This is the '06 Ford Escape Hybrid. Well, I'm getting it back on the road for the winter, and I decided I was going to go ahead and get the tires, get some good tires put on it today. Well, the other day, though, I haven't really driven it that much, and I let the wife go ahead and run it around town. She heard some scratching in the back. Well, that wound up being a vacuum plate that's on the back side of the rotor, and it was pushed up against it running it. She says she's driven it twice now, and she got it in it the other day, and all of a sudden the steering wheel was cocked. Went down the road, and it was still really, really cocked. And she drove around a little bit and didn't really seem right. Well, we went ahead and took it out the other day. I had to go shopping. The steering wheel's really cocked. All of a sudden, we started going down a hill, and all of a sudden, the wheel snapped on me straight. I'm like, this is not good. So we turned it around, I brought it back, parked it, and we took the other vehicle. Checking the wheels. Watch this. That's not me moving. That's it moving. So let's see what is loose under here. Now, last time I had this happen, I was driving the Jeep Compass, which is sitting over there. I've got to do a heater core on it, and come to find out, lower ball joint was not tight, and it popped out. So let's see what we got here. Oh, that's up front. Ah. Okay. Jeez. That is up front. Up here. Holy. The sway bar bolt. Oh, freaking great. The sway bar bolt into, of course, the subframe has broken off. Yep. See if I can look in there and see the bolt. The bolt has broke off. Oh. See, that's the bolt right there. Or the bolt nut. Goes all the way through. The subframe itself has that's a bolt. It goes in, and it's inside this section right here. Right here. There's no way to get it. Well, as y'all know, I had to change the subframe on the other '06. And you followed me on that. Guess what? Unless I do a subframe on it, it's off the road. Well, that bites. Explains why it was okay a couple days, and all of a sudden it's not. There's no way to repair that. Subframe has to be replaced. Well, I've got to get on her nitro, or her Jeep Liberty, because her slider, her new slider let go and flipped back. So that's where we are with that. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Dana's Garage.